Want to change the name on your Cricket Wireless account? It's straightforward and mainly done online or via the app. There are two parts to consider: your profile name and your billing name. The profile name is what you see in the app and is used for personalization. The billing name is linked to your payment method. To change either, log into the MyCricket app or website, go to Account Settings, and submit a request. You'll likely need to upload a government-issued ID for verification. This process helps prevent fraud and ensures your account information is accurate. Expect the change to take 24 to 48 hours. Make sure that your payment methods, such as credit cards, match your name so your account does not get suspended. To avoid issues with name changes on Cricket Wireless, ensure the name you provide exactly matches your government-issued ID and payment information. This prevents billing errors and service disruptions. Always use two-factor authentication when making changes. This adds an extra layer of security, especially important for protecting your account from unauthorized access. If you're on a family plan, remember that the primary account holder might need to approve the change before it takes effect. Looking ahead, Cricket Wireless is moving towards more digital solutions, including biometric verification like facial recognition, to make the process even faster and more secure. AI-powered chatbots are also being implemented to handle name changes more efficiently, reducing wait times from days to just minutes. Integrations with AT&T's broader ecosystem allow for one-click updates across all linked services, improving the overall customer experience. These advancements aim to improve customer satisfaction, so make sure to stay updated with Cricket's app for the latest features.